And guys, that's the Bosporus Bridge. No, not the Bosporus Bridge. Yes, that's the Bosporus Bridge. Not this one. That's the other bridge. Yeah.
Further up.
Nah, itu namanya Bosporus Bridge. Ada dua jembatan besar dan ada 3 jembatan. So that the water from there and then also from there. That's out there to the sea. Yeah, that is the maiden tower. That one maiden tower. That's the Topkapi Palace. Yeah.
Then it's Hagia Sophia.
Hagia Sophia, the oldest mosque. The oldest mosque or no?
No, the blue.
That's the blue mosque. Topkapi. Metro.
Station.
There. Yeah.
Why station there?
That's the metro station.
Why would you stop?
Halik.
Halik.
Halik. Metro station in the middle of the bridge.
Why?
In Turkey.
I don't understand.
So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 small bridge, and then 2 the biggest bridge over there. Yeah.
That must be Bosphorus
River.
This
Bosphorus
different name.
Strait over there.
Oh yeah.
Guys, that's the area over there. Topkapi Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia Mosque. This the other part in Euro part. And this part,
That's the smaller river
yeah,
that we look out here.
yeah.
There's the bridge that we. There's the mosque and the blue mosque is on that corner, and Hagia Sophia.
That's Asia.
That little bit there, yeah.
Yeah, Asia. This part is Europe. Good. So we are now here in this tower.
Was built so they could see any invaders.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, look at that on the top. They have a painting. Oh. So we are in Galata Tower, around at the top of the dome. We have the old painting about Turkey or Istanbul. Let's go around there. It's old. Oh. That part Asia, and this part it's Europe.
Yes.
Still not understand. That part.
The Yes.
That with the tower over there, that Asia, and this area, Europe. So if that part is Asia, there is not, that is connect with there. Oh yeah, no, yeah, that Asia, that to the sea, and there, oh wait, there, Asia, that part, to the sea, over here, and this area, part of Europe.